The Urban Homestead 2, located here in Midland, Texas. I'm going to be going over this house and let you guys know what is included, and this is going to be one of our stock models that is available and ready for delivery. It is priced down as the lowest, and guys, you guys will not find this pricing anywhere else. If you're looking for Urban Homestead 2, 4 bedrooms, 2 bath, we have it available here in Midland, Texas. You're going to be having sheetrock throughout the house standard, 100% tip and texture also standard. You are going to be getting your 5-year warranty on your appliances, which that includes the range, the refrigerator, and the dishwasher. As you guys can see, you are getting your full backsplash from the bottom of the counter to all the way to the top. That protecting the range. You're also going to be getting your backsplash by the sink. That is going to be an upgrade, but we're including this in the price of the home. On this side, you do have your dining room with 2 windows and 2-inch blinds. I do guys want to let you guys know that you guys will be getting 2-inch blinds throughout the house standard and included in the price of the home. Walking this side of the house is going to be the hall. To the right side, you are going to have the utility room. Left side, you're going to have the first guest room. If you guys could check it out, it is going to be a pretty spacious guest bedroom, number 1. You're also going to have guest bedroom number 2, and your overhead ducts are going to be on the top in this house. This is going to be guest bedroom number 3, and you guys could also see, you guys will see your nice molding that is going to be throughout the house standard in this beautiful home. This is going to be the guest bathroom. You do have 2 sinks, 2 mirrors. In the back side, you do have the bathtub walk-in shower and the commode. I do guys want to mention as well that you guys will be getting your lifetime warranty on those faucets. This is going to be the utility room. You guys do have a small little desk, folding closed. The back door. Now heading to the master bedroom. If you guys will look at this bedroom, it's just nice, spacious. You do have the accent wall in the back. You do have that nice molding. You do also have that 2 windows with the 2-inch blinds. You're also going to be getting your ceiling fan included in the master bedroom and the living room. Now this right here is going to be your closet. Open the barn door and you're going to have a walk-in closet. So much space for his and hers clothes. You guys don't have to worry about fighting. This is going to be a spacious closet. Now heading out to the master bathroom, you are going to have, this is a unique bathroom, and you guys can see it is going to be separated, his and her sink. In the middle, you are going to have that bathtub. In the back end, you are also going to have your private commode. You are going to have the mirrors and more storage, plenty of storage cabinets. In the middle of the bathroom, you are going to have your walk-in shower that is going to be tile. That is going to be standard in this home. A tile walk-in shower with the glass doors. Nice. And then you have also her vanity. On back of the door, you are going to have more storage for linen closets. Nice.